We age because we stop moving. Mobility is the foundation of longevity, and it's never too late to rebuild it. In this video, you'll learn the dangers of sedentary death syndrome, why lean muscle can literally save your life, and how bones act as living organs that affect your brain, metabolism, and overall health. You'll also learn 3 powerful exercises to strengthen bones and build muscle. Sedentary death syndrome includes 33 chronic diseases: heart disease, diabetes, dementia, stroke. One pill treats them all: movement. Mobility improves blood pressure, heart function, metabolism, and brain health far better than any medication. Aging time bombs like inflammation, damaged mitochondria, and zombie cells are influenced by lifestyle. You're not a victim of aging. You can take action now. The single biggest lifesaver is lean muscle mass. Even simple squats and curls protect your metabolism, balance, and daily strength. Muscle loss only accelerates when we stop using it. Someone who sits for decades replaces healthy muscle with fat, which releases harmful chemicals. But older active adults keep strong, lean muscle that prevents falls and fractures. Bones are not just structure, they're hormone-releasing organs. They produce osteocalcin, which boosts BDNF for brain health, helps muscles use glucose, supports insulin, and even influences hormones. Weaker bones are linked to greater dementia risk. Muscles also send signals. Contracting muscles release irisin and klotho, powerful longevity messengers that keep organs youthful. Active seniors often have higher klotho than sedentary young adults. 3 life-saving habits. 1. Lift heavy weights, 3 to 6 reps. This builds mitochondria, stem cells, and prevents dangerous muscle loss. 2. Do daily impact, 20 jumps, stairs, jump rope, to stimulate bone growth. 3. Get your heart rate up, brisk walking 45 to 60 minutes with intervals. For nutrition, aim for stable blood sugar by avoiding refined sugar. Choose leafy greens, lean protein, and high-fiber carbs. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body mass.